Hey there, tech-savvy friends. Have you ever been in the middle of an important video call or streaming your favorite show when your Xfinity internet suddenly decides to take a break? Don't panic. I'm here to guide you through turning it back on step by step. This is especially relevant for 2025, as Xfinity has rolled out some updated features for easier troubleshooting. Let's dive right in. First things first, start with the basics. Check your modem and router for any loose cables or power issues. Make sure everything is plugged in securely and that the lights on your devices are indicating they're powered on. If you see any red lights, that might signal a problem. Give it a minute to see if it resolves on its own. Next up, perform a simple restart. Unplug your modem and router from the power source, wait about 30 seconds, and then plug them back in. This can clear temporary glitches and refresh your connection. In 2025, Xfinity's devices might even have a quick reboot feature via their app, so keep an eye out for that. Now, if that doesn't do the trick, grab your phone or computer and open the Xfinity app or head to their website. Log in with your account details, and look for the Troubleshoot, or Network Status section. Here, you can run a diagnostic test, which is super user-friendly and often fixes issues automatically. For 2025 users, there's a new AI-assisted tool that can detect problems like signal interference or outdated firmware. If you're still facing issues, check for any outages in your area. Xfinity's app has a real-time map for this. Just search for Service Status. If it's a widespread problem, you'll need to wait it out, but if it's just you, try resetting your equipment settings through the app. Finally, if nothing works, it's time to contact Xfinity support. Use the app to chat with a virtual assistant or call their 24/7 helpline. They can walk you through advanced fixes or send a technician if needed. Remember, staying calm and following these steps can save you a ton of time and frustration. There you have it. Your Xfinity internet should be back online in no time. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.